Hi, this is Miss Jen and my friend the mouth, and today we're going to be talking about your sh sound. To write the sh sound, you will use the letters SH. To make a good sh sound, you have to think about your tongue being in the middle of your mouth. Keep it there as you let the air flow out of your mouth. Let's try it together. Shh. Good job. If your tongue comes up to the front of your mouth, you might have a sneaky s sound. Instead of saying she, you might say see. What do we do with sneaky s? We gotta take it and we're gonna throw it away.
To practice your sound, we're gonna walk the whole mountain. We're gonna start off in isolation, doing your sound by itself. Then we're gonna move to syllables. Next, we'll do words. And last, we'll use your sound in sentences. It's your job to try and think about using a good sound all the time when you're talking to your family or friends or while you're reading a book out loud. Some of you might start out stuck at the very top of the mountain up here, and that's okay. Our goal is to practice hard so that you can get off the mountain so you're not stuck anymore.
We're going to practice your sh sound in isolation. I want you to make two fists and we're going to go like this. Shh, shh, shh. Now you make the fists and do it along with me. Let's go. Shh, 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 shh.
I put our sh sound in the middle. We're going to say it with long vowels and short vowels. I'm going to say it first, and you say it right after me. Let's go. Shay, sha, she, she, shy, shi, show, sha, shoe, sh. Now we're going to say it backwards. Aish, ash, ish, esh, ish, ish, osh, osh, yush, ush.
Now we're going to practice your sound at the word level. You're going to see some pictures go by, and as they go by, I want you to say the word out loud. If you don't know one of the words, feel free to pause the video and ask somebody in your house for help. Make sure to use your sound super clearly. Don't let any sneaky sounds in there.
You just practiced using your sound in the word level. Now we're going to move down to the sentence level. You're going to see some pictures with your sound in it. I want you to make me one sentence for each picture that you see. If you need to pause the video so you can make a great sentence, pause the video, and then return to the next picture.